how to add a GoDaddy domain on your Shopify store. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this video, so let's get started right away. Now what you want to do is click on online store and then go to domains right here. Now what you want to do once this loads up is simply click on connect existing domain. And once you've clicked on that, you want to type in your domain that you have from GoDaddy, and once you've typed that in, you want to click on next. Now I don't actually have a domain from GoDaddy, but the process is really simple. Once you've filled in that domain, you should see like the GoDaddy domain, and you can click on connect automatically. And once you've clicked on that, you can log into your GoDaddy domain account, and that will simply connect it. And once you've connected it, it will pop up right here under your domains. So that is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. It's actually super easy to do. So yeah, I'll see you next time. Have a good day.